So did the Election Commission just unknowingly admit that our vote wasn't OTP protected all this while? So the ECI has now added a new feature for the deletion of voters online. Now interestingly, this comes less than a week after Rahul Gandhi had alleged that someone tried to delete more than 6,000 voters online from a constituency in Karnataka without the voters having any knowledge. So now after this edition, if I want any name to be deleted from the voter list, I fill the voter deletion form online and then I am required to generate an OTP which will only be sent to a mobile number linked to my Aadhaar. Now this makes sure that the deletion request is authentic. And guess what? This now compulsory step was not there on the Election Commission's voter deletion portal before Rahul Gandhi's allegations. Earlier, I could request someone's name to be deleted from the voter list simply by connecting any mobile number with somebody's voter ID. But one important point here, even though I could have requested for an unknown voter's deletion, the actual deletion as per law can only happen when an election officer conducts an on-ground inquiry. But the point I'm making here is that there were serious gaps in the online voter deletion process to which the Election Commission woke up only after these vote chori allegations. Now when the Election Commission itself caught fake voter deletion attempts 2 years ago, then why did it not add this extra safety net then? In digital India, where our whole identity is linked to the Aadhaar, why did the Election Commission not think of this Aadhaar OTP safeguard for the basic unit of our democracy, our vote?